What a blockchain nation. So welcome to Think Like a Coder, episode 3, where we go over basic data structures and algorithm questions. Today, I'm doing a very easy problem, which is the palindrome question, or palindrome problem. And so what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a word, number, phrase, or other sequence of characters which reach the same backward and as forward, such as madame or race car. So these are examples of some words which are palindromes. As you can see, read divider, divide, civic, madame, race car. Race car is the same forward and backward, same with madame and refer. So we're going to write a small program, and we're going to write a program to say it takes in a word and returns true or false if the word is a palindrome. Very, very simple question. I think this is self-explanatory, as you can see. So it takes these words and it just returns true or false. So let's see, what does that look like? Let's define our is this a. I can't spell today. Is the palindrome. There we go. And I've done this question before, which is why you see some autocorrect. So it takes in a string or a character, a group of it takes in a string. That's what this is. These are all strings. Divide is a string, civic is a string. So what do we do? So first we'll return what we call reversed characters, and I'll explain what this means. So what we're just going to do is we're going to take the word or the string, we're going to reverse it. So we're going to put the reversed outputs into this list, and then we're going to compare it to the original string. So I'll say it again. We're going to take this word, right? And then we're going to have a new, string, which will be the reverse of this, and it will be compared with the actual word. I'll explain this better in code. So we say that for example, for I in, we now take a range from which will be the length of the string. So we're doing this for the length of the string, but like I said, we are doing this for the reversed word. So what I'm doing is here, what this is saying is that for every character in the reversed string, what I want to do is append it to my new list. Append. So I take every single character. I take every character in this word or in this string. I take it one by one throughout the length of the entire string. I reverse it and I append it into this. Once I've done that, the next thing I just do is I check, is my original string equal to, now I have to join my reverse characters. Yeah, that's all. So I'm checking, is this actually true? So what this is doing is, and so I return the output of this. Yeah. What am I doing? Return. Yeah. So this return, I'm checking, is this string, which is what I actually pass into my function, and I'm checking, is this string the same as the join and reverse characters. Now what this means is, when I reverse the characters, I take every single character in the, when I reverse the string, I take every single character in the string and I append it into this list, but now I have to return it as a complete word. Well, I'll show you what that means. If you check, so this here, this is what this join method does. So as you can see, you can try this out and read it on W3 Schools. It explains exactly how it works better than I can. But yeah, so pretty much that's what it does. So now let's test, is this working? Let's use this palindrome. We pass it new word. So let's try with a new word. Let's call this new word, let's take something that we already know is palindrome. Let's take madam. Madam. So we want to print this out. Print this palindrome. Yeah, so let's see if this works. Yeah, so as you can see, it's true, returns true. The word madam, let me clear this. Well, let me just let me just close. Yeah, here we go. So madam returns true. Let's take another word. Let's take race car. Does this work? Let's run this. It runs. You see, it returns true as well. Just to see if this works. Let's take the word wisdom. Obviously, this is not a palindrome. Wisdom backwards is mud. Mud is whatever that means. And so let's run this one more time. As you can see, it's false. It doesn't return a palindrome. And lastly, let's take this word defied. Defied is a palindrome because if you take the words forward and back, it still gives you defied. And then we run this. Let's clear this first. Let's run this. As you can see, it is true. So that's pretty much it. That's how you write a small program that really, that's it, the palindrome problem. So regarding time and space complexity, I'm going to guess it takes O of n time, n being the length of the string. Pretty much it. Doesn't matter how long the string is, or it doesn't matter how long the string is, excuse me, and it's always run in O of n time, which is pretty much linear time. Maybe I'll do a video on big O complexity. In terms of space, it's taking new space because it's creating this new list that it creates. So well, it's also be O of n as well. So it's running O of n time, I believe. O of n will be the time complexity, and the space complexity will also be O of n for space as well. I can't spell today. Well, that's it. That is all I have. So, palindrome problem. Until next time, my wish for you is that you learn how to code, because coding is changing and will change the world. And those who get involved early in software development, in my personal opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that is you, then let's go change the world.
If you would like to create more awareness for your brand or content, or you would like to earn additional income, register now on www.Kleekee.com. The more you share, the more you earn. Kleekee.